President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has declared a state of emergency in Rivers State due to the ongoing political crisis. This decision, announced in a nationwide broadcast on Tuesday, March 18, 2025, suspends Governor Tinubu Fubara, his deputy, and all members of the Rivers State House of Assembly for 6 months. President Tinubu explained that Rivers State has been facing serious political problems. He pointed out that Governor Fubara demolished the House of Assembly building over a year ago, and it has not been rebuilt.
So good governance, peace, order and security. In these circumstances, having soberly reflected on and evaluated the political situation in Rivers State, and the governor and deputy governor of Rivers State having failed to make a request to me as president to issue this proclamation as required by Section 305, Paragraph 5 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, it has become inevitably compelling for me to invoke the provision of the Section 305 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999, as amended, to declare a state of emergency in Rivers State with effect from today, 18th March, year 2025, and I so do.
The crisis has led to governance issues, making it hard for the state to function properly. The declaration has sparked mixed reactions from politicians, celebrities, and citizens across Nigeria. Peter Obi, the former presidential candidate of the Labour Party, called the decision reckless and unconstitutional, warning that it could threaten democracy. Afrobeat star and rapper Falz also criticized the move, saying there is no law that allows a president to suspend an elected governor. In the same vein, actress Hilda Dokubo, a native of Rivers State, called the decision shameless. Some citizens believe that the action was necessary to restore peace and stop violence in the state. Despite his suspension, Governor Fubara urged the people of Rivers State to remain calm. He said his government had been working hard to keep the state safe and moving forward. He, however, accused the state assembly of blocking progress and making it difficult to maintain peace. It's worth noting that the state of emergency will last 6 months, but the situation is still developing. Many Nigerians are waiting to see if the National Assembly and the court will respond to this decision. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates as the story unfolds.